So I was going over some measurements so far what I got, and I found out the measurements on this side was not equal to this side. So I got this side pretty roughed out with the clay. I'm gonna go take some measurements and transfer them over on this side. I'm using this line as a reference guide for each point. So basically, I will be measuring from basically the tip of this line, and I'll measure out to probably the edge of the lens socket, the other end. Same thing as the scoops. So I'm going to use this as an anchor point. So every measurement is going to be from this point. Take the same measurement and transfer them over here on this side, so everything will be equally spaced and I won't have no offset. Try to make the two sides identical. So, and I'm using the lens of the headlight covers as a guidance. They had the line that separates the running daylights from the headlights. Basically, I'm measuring from that line. I'm going to measure down on all the different points from that line, go down, from this line, go down. I'm going to do it by eye and by measurements. Should be good enough. Pretty much, let's just keep moving. I'll go ahead and end this video right here. Pretty much got the bumper roughed out. We're gonna just continue with the next video, gets to smoothing it out. Alright, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell and change it to all so you get all the notifications and in the video right here. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.